morning everyone, I'm from BCA semester 1. Here we have gathered here to do a jam session on little knowledge is a dangerous thing. This is a proverb which basically signifies the youth of our generation. When we don't have complete knowledge about anything, then it might lead us in a trouble, because when we don't have complete knowledge, we will not have the proper knowledge to do something that will surely lead us in trouble.
As she said, I would like to continue her point that a knowledge should be complete. Everything we learn. If we learn how to start a fire, we should also learn how to stop it. If we are learning how to ride a bike, we should also know how to fix it. If we are learning how to build something or how to destroy something, we should also know how to build it. So in a broader sense, we should have a complete knowledge about anything we are doing. A little knowledge can be damaging for us or someone else. If you are doing something like if you are cooking food, if you don't know how to do it properly, it is of no use. Or if you are using anything, if you are using your devices or anything, if you don't know how to use it properly, it can be trouble for you.
Continuing to his point, I would like to give an example that if we don't have the proper knowledge that where we have to go and from where we have to start, then there might be the chance that we forget or we reach somewhere else. For example, that suppose that I am solving an equation of math, and if we don't have the proper knowledge of the formulas and all the things, then we will never ever solve the equation properly.
The little knowledge is dangerous. It's like we are starting with something and we don't have a proper knowledge about the things, and as initially start getting into the thing and applying in our life is maybe a dangerous thing. I have the best example. If we brought some gadget in our house and we don't know how does it works, and we start using it sometimes it leads we calling the very big accidents.
Every points were totally right and good at some point, but I'd like to say something more about it. That knowledge is something, it should add to our personality, our things, our understanding, everything. It is not only related to the outer subjects or outer world. Yes, it is of course related. But one thing main is that how we deal with this. It is also with our inside. Like sometimes we face problems in our life. Sometimes we have to deal with tough situations and how we have to take decisions. So in that context, what we call knowledge. We learn from our elders, from the experienced ones, in broader sense we can say that philosophers, like how they thought, how they think. So by time it evolves, evolution. And by understanding the evolution and evaluating it in our sense makes a big difference. And knowledge is not limited; it is limitless. So we can't say that it is at some point boundaried. I mean, it is not. There is a fixed line that okay, it should be known and it is enough for our civilization. Let's say, अगर ऐसा होता तो खत्म ही हो जाता, progress होता ही नहीं. In simple word. And currently we are facing the climate change. So it is because of our knowledge only. We have thought that we have known so much that we understand everything, and currently the whole world is facing the global warming and climate change, which is out of the mind of everybody. Nobody is talking about it. Even the presidents of all over the countries are facing it. But still we have very less time and we have to do it anyhow by applying our knowledge also.
First of all, thank you for all. I am very much satisfied by the example of Aman, which is of Mahabharata, Abhimanyu and Shakti. So, I have done some decisions in a very hurried manner without researching on it. So, all of us know about how dangerous the little knowledge can be. Um, I have experienced it. It's about some of when I was of 11 or 12 years. So my mom was cooking rice, and started boiling water, and I have a thermometer at that time in my hand. So I have desire to check the temperature of that water, but I don't know that the thermometer is made of glass and can break. So without researching, I have just touched the thermometer to the boiling water, and suddenly it cracks, and mercury of that thermometer goes into the boiling water. As you know, the mercury is very harmful for our health. It can lead to death. So I know that the mercury is very harmful. Thank God. So in a hurry, I just dropped all the water to the basin, and then boil another pot of water, and then I just say to my mom that uh, I have I have by mistake I mixed the mercury in that water, so I have to throw it away. So,